Welcome back to Tech Trends, your go-to channel for the latest tech reviews and gadget insights. Today, we're taking a close look at the Acer Aspire Go 15 Slim Laptop, a budget-friendly powerhouse that promises to deliver performance and style without breaking the bank. Hi everyone, I'm Realtecshop, and in today's video, we'll be exploring the Acer Aspire Go 15 Slim Laptop. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking for a reliable everyday laptop, this might just be the perfect choice for you. Let's dive in. The Acer Aspire Go 15 Slim Laptop comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, offering vibrant colors and sharp visuals. Under the hood, it features the Intel Core i3-N305 processor, paired with Intel UHD graphics. It has 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 GB of UFS storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for your files. Connectivity-wise, it supports Wi-Fi 6, providing faster and more reliable internet connections. Plus, it runs on Windows 11 Home in S mode, offering enhanced security and performance. One of the standout features of the Acer Aspire Go 15 Slim is its sleek and lightweight design. Weighing in at just 1.7 kilograms, it's perfect for those on the go. The slim profile doesn't compromise on build quality, with a sturdy chassis that feels durable and premium. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display is another highlight. It delivers crisp and clear visuals, making it ideal for both work and entertainment. Whether you're streaming videos, browsing the web, or working on a presentation, the screen quality won't disappoint. Now, let's talk about performance. The Intel Core i3-N305 processor, combined with 8 GB of RAM, ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks. I've been using this laptop for web browsing, document editing, and even some light photo editing, and it handles everything without a hitch. While this laptop isn't designed for heavy gaming, it can handle lighter titles with ease. Games like Minecraft and casual Steam games run smoothly, making it a good option for some relaxed gaming sessions. Connectivity is another strong suit of the Acer Aspire Go 15 Slim. It features multiple ports including USB Type-C, USB 3.2, HDMI, and a headphone jack. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 means you get faster and more reliable internet connectivity, perfect for video calls, streaming, and more. Running on Windows 11 Home in S mode, this laptop offers a streamlined and secure experience. S mode ensures that you get better performance and security by allowing only verified apps from the Microsoft Store. Of course, you can switch out of S mode if you need to install apps from other sources. Battery life is crucial for any portable device, and the Acer Aspire Go 15 Slim doesn't disappoint. It offers up to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge, depending on your usage. This makes it perfect for a full day of work or study without needing to reach for the charger. So, there you have it, the Acer Aspire Go 15 Slim Laptop. With its sleek design, solid performance, and excellent connectivity options, it's a great choice for anyone looking for an affordable yet capable laptop. Whether you're working from home, studying, or just need a reliable device for everyday tasks, this laptop is worth considering. Thanks for watching this review of the Acer Aspire Go 15 Slim Laptop. If you found this video helpful, Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Trends for more tech reviews and updates. Hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. See you next time.